Introducing our phone case factory, new sharing phone case exhibition, always endeavoring to do still better. Abundant inventory. Here is a panoramic view of our state-of-the-art facilities, revealing the latest machinery. Our focus on quality is evident in every frame. Strict quality control. The production of phone cases is a meticulous process. It begins with raw material selection, choosing top-grade silicone for durability. Next is material mixing, blending the silicone to ensure consistency. Mold preparation shapes the desired form, ready for casting process, where the mixture is poured. After curing, solidification stabilizes the structure. Trimming finishing refines the edges. Quality inspection ensures flawlessness. Packaging delivery prepares the finished product for our valued customers. The spotlight then shifts to the silicone molding process, highlighting its flexibility and shock-absorbent properties. We demonstrate how our cases seamlessly fit various phone models, offering both protection and a sleek aesthetic. It showcases the diverse range of designs and colors available, catering to different tastes and preferences, from subtle solids to vibrant patterns. There's a case for every personality. Closing with a message of commitment to sustainability and environmental friendliness. We emphasize our use of recyclable materials and eco-friendly production methods. We know our factory's capabilities, demonstrating why our silicone phone cases are the ultimate choice for protecting your device in style.